All right. So I'm Nick. I've had my locks for a little over 2 years now. As you can see, I have a lot of loose hair coming out everywhere. I haven't gotten any maintenance on them in like well over a year now. And I don't really do anything to them myself. So I'm finally getting all the loose hair pulled back in, getting the roots tightened and everything. Hopefully they'll look a lot cleaner and neater and everything. Um, but yeah, it's been great. I've loved having dreads. It's been a really really cool journey, very like liberating in a lot of ways. I think everybody should do it. Anybody can have dreadlocks.
Thank you. Now, question for you: how many locks that you have?
I think we counted 42.
42.
Yeah, it was either 41 or 42.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we have a lot of loose hair, and what we're about to do is just like put all of them in, like here. You see, and we're not going to break it. Just like put it with the crochet. Don't use any hair products. Just like
I've never used any product.
that's awesome. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you guys.